Nothing, very simple. Just right click on your project. Just right click, go to TestNG, convert to TestNG.
Project or test case, sir?
No, class, Java class file.
Okay, yeah.
Java class file. Yeah. So this is how we have to create. Is it clear?
Oh, yeah, yes, sir.
Okay. Now coming to parallel execution, how to do parallel execution? Parallel, you can execute test cases, right? How that is possible?
Yes.
This is how we have to execute parallel execution. Parallelly, two classes can be executed by simply adding parallel equal to classes. How many test classes are here? There are two test classes, TC1, TC2. This is a TC1 test class. Okay, it is also a very simple test case where we enter username and password and click log out. Okay, and product and information, so many things are there. Okay, so this is one of the class which we are just launching. There is another test case. There is a test case 2. Test case 2. What is this application? This is also same application. Okay. Simultaneously, two browsers gets opened and executed. For suppose I want to execute. Just a second, Suraj. Hello.
Yeah. Okay.
Hello. Yeah, tell me. Yeah, tell me what you want. I'm in session actually. I'm in meeting. I will come back. Okay. See, for suppose I want to execute one test case in IE, another test case in Chrome. How to do that? Okay. So as we know already, IE also very simple. You have to download a Edge browser. Edge browser you have to download, then you can launch the application Edge browser. This is the application which we are just using for Edge browser. Just for demo purpose, I'm just going to show for you. Here run as test.
Okay.
Test. Okay. Yeah, this is a Edge browser, just launching an application. They enter username and then password and click submit button and so on. That's it. So yeah, very fast, quickly done. Okay. So I want to launch both the browsers and execute test cases. How that is possible? Okay, very simple. Again, you just take two test cases and then execute both the test cases in two different browsers. Okay.
Okay.
Here you can see I have added two classes and the attribute is parallel equal to classes. That's all. Okay. Now just imagine the two browsers will open and execute. Just click test suite.
Sir, are you recording this?
Yeah, of course. Yeah. I'm recording. See, two browsers has been opened. Okay. Two browsers has been opened. See, this is SwagLab. This is our Times. Just executing. Yeah. This is executed and it has already been executed. See, one is on IE, another one is on Chrome. This is how we have to go to execute two test cases parallelly through TestNG. Okay. Similarly, we have so many things are there in a TestNG, especially where you want to use the parameters. Parameters also can be used. How to use the parameters? See here we have used username and password, right?
Yeah.
See, username and password, I want to add two parameters. Okay, at the rate parameters. Okay, inside that you can pass a username and password. Okay, username and password can be username, comma, password. Okay, just add this parameters. So this is inside BST TestNG J commander parameters. Yeah, here you can see. Okay, TestNG dot. Okay, XML dot down parameters. Okay, this can be added parameters. Add username and password. What type it is? String type. String. And this is string. Okay, and then add inside here. Okay, just going to copy it as it is. Control X. Control V. Okay.
Yes.
Uname, comma, password. That's it. Okay. So uname, what is that? Cannot create a constant uname. Why? Okay. Anyway, so this is how we have to use the parameters. Look at here the sample script which we have already created. So parameters, this is how it looks like. Add a parameters and double quotes, username, name and a password. Okay. So in this one, actually what we are doing, we are passing three variables: URL, username, and password. And in this function accepts three variables, again, three parameters: URLs, username, and password. But how to add these parameters? Okay, how to pass the value? That is very important. How to pass? How to pass?
We have to give it in the testng.xml, sir.
Correct. Very good. Excellent. Okay. So double quotes, double quotes, double quotes, double quotes. Okay. So this is a string. String.
But parameters we use very rarely, no, sir, in real time.
Yeah, of course, very rarely we use, but sometimes we use. Okay, it's not very rarely we use. Sometimes we use that. Okay, and then this is semicolon is missing. So how to use this parameter? Just go to your .xml file. This is a .xml file, right? We have created already some .xml file. Just go over here, and here we have to add parameters. Okay. Okay, parameters. And what is the parameter? Name equals to. Name equals to. Okay, name equals to. What is the name you are just passed here? Data. Yeah, username. Give the same name. Control C. Control V. Control V. Value equals to. What is the value? You can take this value from there. Sauce lab something, right? This
yes.
Value. I think we have to add this one here. Not there. Okay. This is a launch application, right? It's not required. We need this for a login. We need here.
Sir, can we stop with this? Is it okay?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
So
sir.
username and password. Yeah, tell me. Any doubts?
No, sir. Parameters. So we had to pass the parameters.
Yeah, you have to pass the parameters.
Okay, okay. And testng.xml, we have to give the value, no, sir.
Correct. Name and value have been given here. Okay. So
okay.
This is the values you have to give. Standard users and all, right? Control C. Okay, Control V. Right. There is another parameter you had to add. Similarly, Control C and Control V. This time it is actually password. Okay, password. Control C. Okay.
Okay.
Right. Okay, what is the error? So we are getting an error. Parameters. Maybe this is parameter.
So please share the recording, sir.
Yeah.
So that I can read in the evening.
But you said you know already. That's why I'm not actually going into it.
Okay, okay. No, I know everything, but I forgot the concepts. So that's what.
Okay.
Because of time.
So, correct. These parameters you have to add something like parameter, and add it. Okay. See, username and password. The same values you have to pass here. Uname and PASSWORD. PASSWORD. Done. Okay, added. Okay. Control S. So now just copy this one. Username and password here. Control C. Now you don't need to pass the values here. That means you don't need to hard code the values. Basically, that's one of the advantage with the test engine. Okay. So Control S. Just right click, run as. Okay, test engine test. So in runtime, it basically fetch the values from the parameters. So what is the value? Parameter 0, but 0 is applied to the test at the rate test automation, at the rate test annotation. Launch application, no, it's not required. I'm just deleting it. Not required, deleted. Okay. So by mistake, I have added control S, control N. It's not as test and do test.
Okay, sir.
Again, got an error. So username is required by the test method. Okay, login, but has been marked with optional. Okay. So what is the issue? Control C, control V. Okay, this is control C, control V. Perfect. Now coming to UC name, let's go to Swag Labs. This is uname, control V. Okay. Coming to password, take these values, control C. Just come here. Just maintain the same text. That is always better. Control S. Okay. So here, control S, just right click, run as test and do test. Oh, what happened? What is the issue? Tell me. We have added everything. Okay. At the rate parameters of username, comma password, and enter the username and password. Everything is in proper shape, but still we are getting an error. Why?
Yeah, sorry, sir.
Yeah. Are you missing something?
Nothing, sir.
So login parameter uname is required by the rate test on city, but has been marked as optional.
Can we stop here, sir, please?
For today?
Yeah, correct.
Why? It is only 3:30.
I'm feeling very hungry, sir. I have to go out and eat something, sir.
Oh, is it? Okay, no problem, Suraj. Suraj, actually, can you ask your father send the first? I mean, fees is not paid, not even a rupee. So
Okay,
can
sir.
you ask your
Let
father?
1 or 2. Yeah, okay, sir. I'll ask, sir. Yes.
Yeah, please. Because ideally, the first day itself we do take, and half of the amount will go to institute. Institute people are insisting me, actually.
Okay, okay.
So ask him to pay the first installment of 5,000. Then remaining amount we can pay later.
Okay, sir. Fine, sir.
Yeah. Please join tomorrow at the same time. We'll finish off at least one part tomorrow. Test NG, and then we'll finish off page object model framework tomorrow.
Okay, sir. Okay. So don't forget to share the recording, sir.
Yeah. I will share.
Okay, thank you, sir.